I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Binance with TradingView. First, ensure you have both a Binance account and a TradingView account ready. This integration allows you to manage your crypto trades directly from TradingView's powerful charting interface. It streamlines your workflow, giving you access to advanced analytical tools while executing orders efficiently. This easy method will save you time and enhance your trading experience significantly. Now, let's generate your API keys on Binance. Log into your Binance account and find the API management section. Create a new API key, giving it a clear label like TradingView Connection. It's crucial to enable spot and margin trading permissions, but for security, never enable withdrawal permissions for this key. Copy both the API key and the secret key immediately, as the secret key is shown only once. Keep these secure. With your API keys ready, it's time to connect them to TradingView. Open any chart on TradingView and locate the trading panel at the bottom. Click on it and select Binance from the list of available brokers. You'll then be prompted to enter your API key and secret key that you just generated on Binance. Paste them carefully into the respective fields. Once entered, confirm the connection, and your Binance account will be seamlessly linked, ready for direct trading. Connecting Binance and TradingView offers numerous advantages. You gain integrated trading, advanced analysis, and efficient order execution, all from one platform. This setup helps you manage your crypto portfolio with enhanced tools and real-time insights, making your trading decisions more informed. And speaking of smart upgrades, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. This integration truly elevates your trading strategy, providing a powerful, unified experience for all your crypto activities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.